Hi, I'm Nikhil Merchant and welcome to Nonchalant Gourmand. I'm a food blogger, a writer and a food enthusiast. I love cooking and my kitchen is the space which I love to be in. And there are a lot of experiments which I do out there which I'd love to share with you. So there are meat lovers out there and a lot many vegetarian food lovers too. There is a popular dish called Chicken Liver Pate which I'm sure you're aware about. There's a particular dish which I've developed in my own kitchen which is called the mushroom pate. It's simple, it's easy, and you'll have to come back in my kitchen with me to discover what's it all about. We have the ingredients for the mushroom pate. 200 grams of mushroom, half a lime, we have 1 small onion finely chopped, 4 or 5 cloves of garlic finely chopped, salt to taste, we have 100 grams of paneer crumble, we have pepper, we have about 30 grams of butter or about 2 big cubes, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and about half teaspoon of nutmeg. So we start the recipe first with taking the mushrooms and chopping them up roughly. So you can use the whole mushroom actually. So we start the process now and we heat the pan up. And the first step is to take the butter and put it into the pan. So once the butter is melted, you add in the onions. And we also add the garlic. We stir fry this till it turns translucent and you get a nice fragrance. So once the onions and garlic give out a good fragrance, we will add the mushrooms into the pan. And we stir fry this till the mushrooms become a little juicy and release some of its water. You can see the juices have released, so it's time to add the lemon. You can season it now. So we add some salt, some pepper, we add the red chilli powder and finally the nutmeg. So you can grate about half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon depending on how flavorful you want it. You give it a good stir and you cook it for another minute. You can turn off the gas. We move on to the next step. The mushrooms have been cooling for about 5 to 6 minutes, so we bring it down to room temperature, and the next step is to put it in a mixie and blitz it with paneer. So we add the mushrooms in first. We'll blitz it with the paneer. Now ideally I would have used ricotta cheese, which can be a good substitute, but using local ingredients also shouldn't be a problem. So paneer does actually work very well. So we add the paneer into the mixer. And we cover it and we'll blitz this. Now that you've learnt a very easy dish, this is 100% a party dish which I'm sure your guests would love. You can stock it up in your fridge for about a week or 2 weeks and you can have many parties with it. If you like this recipe, make sure you share this video and do subscribe to the India Food channel.